In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in Google Slides. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to enhance their presentations with visuals, whether you're a student, professional, or educator. Let's dive in. First, you need to open your Google Slides. You can do this by going to slides.google.com. If you've already got a presentation you're working on, go ahead and open that. Otherwise, you can start fresh by creating a new presentation. Once you have your presentation open in front of you, it's time to add some images to bring your slides to life. To insert an image, look at the top menu bar and find the Insert option. Clicking on this will show you a drop-down menu, and from there, you'll see the Image option. Clicking Image opens up several choices for you, catering to different needs and preferences. Now let's go through these options to find out which might be the best fit for your situation. If you have an image saved on your computer that you'd like to use, click Upload from Computer. This lets you navigate your files and select the image you want to insert. If you don't have an image handy but want to search the web taps directly into Google Images, allowing you to find and utilize images without leaving Google Slides. It's quick, efficient, and stays within the platform. For those who use Google's ecosystem, you can select Drive to fetch images stored in your Google Drive or Photos to access your Google Photos library. This is super convenient if all your images are stored in the cloud. Another neat feature is that you can select By URL to insert an image from the web using a direct link. Just paste the URL and your image will appear on the slide. Lastly, if you're feeling spontaneous or need to capture a quick snapshot, choose Camera to take a photo using your device's webcam. This is particularly useful for introducing yourself in a presentation or capturing real-time content for a classroom scenario. Once your image is in the slide, customizing it to fit your design is easy. Click on the image and drag it around the slide to reposition it. To resize, simply use the blue boxes located on the corners of the image. Drag these to adjust the size while maintaining the original aspect ratio, ensuring your image doesn't look stretched or skewed. And that's it. You now know how to quickly and easily insert images into Google Slides, a simple but powerful way to level up your slide design. Adding images can make your presentation more engaging and visually appealing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.